Let's continue learning Teshuvah, Shir number 13. Vidui from Teshuvah, says the Rambam, is like a tvila and mikveh. Tvila and mikveh makes me clean from all tum'os that was tamei. The same thing is also doing Teshuvah, is cleaning us from all the aveiros. The basis, the source from where the Rambam took this idea from mikveh with Teshuvah is a Mishnah at the end of Masechta Yomeh. Omar Rabba Kiva, Ashreichem Yisrael, Lifnei mi hatem metarim u mi metair eschem, who is cleaning us. HaKadosh Baruch Hu, ma mikveh metair es atmeim, like a mikveh is metair all tameim, af HaKadosh Baruch Hu metair es Yisrael, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is cleaning us from all our tumos, vezorakti aleichem mayim te'oirim utehartem, mikol tumoiseichem, and mikol everything HaKadosh Baruch Hu cleans us up. Because we have over the sklal, it's like a tvila and mikveh, says the Rambam, if someone is coming and doing Teshuvah, the Hilchos Teshuvah, Perik Beis Halacha Gimel, Kol HaMizvada B'Dvarim. He's saying Vidui, he's expressing himself in Vidui and saying the verbal words that he's supposed to say, the idea of Vidui. Ve'lo Gomar B'Liboi La'azoiv, and he didn't decide inside in his heart to leave the Aveira. He's planning to continue to do the Aveira. He's doing Teshuvah, he's saying Vidui, he's standing in Shul Yom Kippur and saying Rashamnu, Bogadnu, everything, but his thoughts is, what he believes in is not there. Says the Rambam, Harei ze doime, is like letoivel, someone that's going to the mikveh, he wants to be tahir, and what he was tamei? He touched a sheretz. The Torah says that if someone is touching a dead sheretz, one of the eight small animals where the Torah says that they have a tumas sheretz, now he touched the sheretz, a dead sheretz, he became tamei. Now he wants to be tahir. He wants to eat trumeh, he wants to, all the things that he needs to be tahir. Now he's going into the mikveh and toveling, going into the water. And he wants to be tahir, he wants to be clean from the tumah. But the problem is, sheretz beyadai. When he's toveling in the mikveh, when he's going into the water, he's holding in his hand a sheretz, a dead sheretz, that's making him tummy when he's trying to become clean. So the Rambam says, it's not only that, he became tahir, he's clean, and then he becomes dirty again. She'ein atvile moyeles loi. The tvile does not help to be clean. Ad sheyashlich hasheretz, till he will throw away this dead sheretz that he's holding in his hand, and then he could become tahir when he's toveling, when he's going into the water of the mikveh. Says the Rambam, Kedusha is a mikveh. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is metairos like a mikveh. But this present, the gigantic present of Ashreichem Yisrael, Ashreichem Yisrael, mi metaher eschem, but throw away this dead sheretz, leave him, you don't need it, put it on the side, and then, when you're going to be in the mikveh, you're going to become clean and pure, and you're not going to have no more tumeh, no more chet, because we're going to leave it. Shevecheinu oimer, umoide ve'oizev yerucham, umoide, he admits, acknowledges, ve'oizev, and he leaves the aveirah. Then Yerucham, HaKadosh Baruch Hu will have mercy on him, and he'll have this salvation from the sched that he was till today. There was an interesting Chassidish word from the Kloizenborg Rebbe. He used to say that this idea of like a mikveh, Teshuvah is like a mikveh. He says the Mishnah before, and Yoma says that someone that comes and says Echto ve'oshuv, ein maspikim biyodoi la'asis Teshuvah. Someone that's now he's doing Teshuvah, but then he says, I'll do a Aveira, and then again I'll do Teshuvah. And then comes the Mishnah, Omar Rabba Kiva Ashreichem Yisrael. Now, in halacha, it's, if someone says Echtav Oshu, ein maspikin, he will not have siyata d'shmaya, they're not going to help him from heaven that he should do Teshuvah, he's not going to have the siyata d'shmaya. But the Kloizenbורג Rebbe says that when Omar Rabba Kiva Ashreichem Yisrael is arguing with Reb Lezer that says that Echtav Oshu ein maspikin b'yodei la'asis Teshuvah. Why? Because he says he disagrees with him. And he says, the truth, it's like a mikveh. If someone works, his job is to move away all the dead shrotzim. That's his job. If someone has a dead mouse in his backyard, he calls them and he comes and he takes it away. And when he takes it away, he's touching it. So he becomes tummy. And this guy went to the mikveh and toveled in the water. he becomes tummy. If he's not touching a dead sheretz when he's doing the tevilah, yes, he becomes tahor. And even that he knows he's going back to work tomorrow, tonight he could eat terumah. After Erev Shemesh he could eat terumah. That means the tare is for mikveh, as if you're not holding the sheretz when you're toiveling in the mikveh. That's enough. It brings you to cleaning from the tumah, even that later you know that you're going to go back over there. Says the Cloisenberg Rebbe, Ashreichem Yisrael, Lifnei mi atem metarim umi metair eschem, ma mikveh metair es atmeim, af HaKadosh Baruch Hu metair es Yisrael. Even if the person will go back to the Aveire, he was also as the Skapore. It's interesting to see how it goes Pshat and Rambam, but that's what the Cloisenberg Rebbe says.